trying to improve the audio quality of your video? Hi, Cykaniki here. Welcome to this channel. So today we're going to unbox this video micro. Inside the box you're going to have a furry windshield and a compact size and lightweight microphone. It's only 80 millimeters long and it weighs 42 grams, and it has an all-metal microphone body, a cardioid polar pattern. The package also includes the SC2 or the 3.5 millimeter TRS patch cable, but you can also use the SC7, which is a cable which is compatible with your iPhone or Android phones. You can also use this video micro attaching to your smartphones and Android phones by using the SC7. There's also a large shoe mount to hold your video micro and then attach it to your camera on the hatch shoe portion. And of course there's a manual inside the packaging, so it tells you a lot of details regarding the product itself. So the video micro from Rode is a compact on-camera microphone that features a cardioid condenser mic capsule for capturing audio recordings. The lightweight microphone can be used when paired with a video camera or applications such as weddings, interviews, and more. So this is very useful if you're going to upgrade your audio quality on your video, so that's why I got this one.
This is the audio test for Rode Video Micro. This is the audio test for Rode Video Micro. I hope you can see the difference. I'm using the Rode Video Micro and I'm going to take it off. This is the test of the sound quality without the Video Micro. So I hope you can see the difference. Again, this is without the mic.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps in a little way, and I hope you were able to determine the quality difference if ever there's a video micro and there's no video micro. And I'm going to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends who also wanted to upgrade their audio quality in their videos. And please subscribe to this channel and click the subscribe button and the notification button so that we will be able to see each other again. Bye bye.